Hi everyone, welcome to Z Academy. Today, we'll be covering important vocabulary related to body health problems and body pain. Understanding these terms can help you better describe and discuss health issues. Let's get started. Body health problems, illnesses. 1. A common viral infection affecting the nose and throat. 2. Flu, Zukam, a contagious respiratory illness caused by influenza viruses. 3. Fever, Bukhar, an elevated body temperature, often a sign of infection. 4. Cough, Khansi, a reflex action to clear the throat of mucus or irritants. 5. Headache, Sar Dard, pain in the head or upper neck. Frequent loose or watery bowel movements. 8. Constipation, difficulty in emptying the bowels, usually associated with hardened feces. 9. Mateli, a sensation of unease and discomfort in the stomach, often leading to vomiting. 10. Vomiting, the forceful expulsion of the stomach's contents through the mouth. 11. Sore throat, pain, scratchiness, or irritation of the throat. 12. Infection, the invasion and multiplication of microorganisms in the body. Allergy, a hypersensitive immune response to a substance. 14. Asthma, a chronic condition involving the narrowing and inflammation of the airways. 15. Diabetes, diabetes, a metabolic disorder characterized by high blood sugar levels. 16. Hypertension, Ballenfasharkhun, high blood pressure, which can lead to heart disease. 17. Arthritis, inflammation of the joints causing pain and stiffness. Migraine, Ade Sarka Dud, a severe recurring headache often accompanied by nausea and sensitivity to light. 19. Pneumonia, an infection that inflames the air sacs in one or both lungs. 20. Tuberculosis, TUP, a bacterial infection that primarily affects the lungs. A continuous or prolonged pain. Pain, teklif, physical suffering or discomfort caused by illness or injury. Teklif, discomfort or pain in a part of the body due to overuse or injury. 20. Cramps, ain, painful, involuntary contractions of muscles. Stiffness, akrao, difficulty in moving a part of the body due to tightness or pain. 26. Burning, a sensation of heat or irritation in a specific area. 27. Sharp pain, a sudden and intense pain often described as stabbing. 28. Throbbing pain, pain that pulses or beats in rhythm with the heartbeat. 29. Chronic pain, daimidad, persistent pain lasting longer than 6 months. 30. Acute pain, shadidad, severe pain that comes on suddenly and is usually sharp. 31. Tingling, a prickling or stinging sensation often associated with numbness. 32. Numbness, sinhojana, a lack of feeling or sensation in a part of the body. Swelling, sujan, an abnormal enlargement of a body part due to fluid accumulation. 34. Bruise, chute, an injury that causes blood vessels to break and leak under the skin. 35. Sprain, injury to a ligament caused by stretching or tearing. 36. Injury to a muscle or tendon caused by overstretching. 37. Back pain, discomfort or pain in the back, which may affect the spine or muscles. 30. Joint pain, jawron ka dard, pain occurring in any of the body's joints. 39. Muscle pain, paton ka dard, discomfort in the muscles often due to overuse or injury. 40. Chest pain, sine ka dard, pain or discomfort in the chest area, which can be due to various causes. 41. Neck pain, girdan ka dard, pain in the neck region, often caused by muscle strain or poor posture. Leg pain, paun ka dard, discomfort or pain in the leg, which can be due to various conditions. 43. Bazo ka dard, discomfort or pain in the arm, often related to overuse or injury. 44. Abdominal pain, pain located in the abdominal area. 45. Pelvic pain, pain occurring in the lower part of the abdomen. 46. Foot pain, paun ka dard, discomfort or pain in the foot, often due to standing or walking. 40. Shoulder pain, kande ka dard, discomfort or pain in the shoulder area. 48. Hip pain, pain in the hip joint or surrounding area. 49. Wrist pain, kalai ka dard, discomfort or pain in the wrist. 50. Elbow pain, pain occurring in the elbow joint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Z Academy for more educational content. Thanks for watching.